Helicteres isora, more commonly known as the Indian screw tree, is a small tree or large shrub found in southern Asia and northern Oceania. It grows to 5 to 8 meters in height and has grey bark and alternately arranged hairy ovate leaves with serrate margins. Its flowers are brick red or orange red, and its fruits are green when raw and twisted with a screw at their pointed end. It is a medicinal plant, and the fruits and roots are used in traditional medicine in Asia. In Goa, it flowers in September, just after the heavy monsoon rains are over. This is the best time of year for bird photography in the state, since the air is clean as there is no dust. The forests of the coastal belt of Goa are at their peak on the sunny days after the monsoon. Many of the trees flower and fruit, and the forests attract many visitors from the Western Ghats. The Indian screw tree grows only to a few meters high, and its thin branches with flowers grow just above the ground, making it ideal for shooting bird photographs at eye level. Pollinators of the flowers in Goa include sunbirds and leafbirds, but the most notable bird species is the vernal hanging parrot. This tiny, short-tailed green parrot, which usually perches high in the forest canopy and proves difficult to see, is very attracted to this tree, and birds can be observed at very close range at eye level. They move a lot inside the bushes and seem to be at ease very close to human presence. Previously known as the Indian lorikeet, this parrot is a resident breeder in the Indian subcontinent. It undergoes local movements, driven mainly by the availability of fruits, seeds, buds and blossoms that make up its diet.